More than 500 years ago, explorers realized that the narrow strip of land connecting North and South America could one day change the world. Long before anyone had the technology to build it, people imagined a shortcut between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. In the 1880s, the French, fresh off the success of the Suez Canal, attempted to dig a sea-level canal across Panama. But the terrain was far more challenging than expected. Landslides, tropical disease, and financial problems brought the project to a halt after tens of thousands of workers died from malaria, yellow fever, accidents, and harsh conditions. In 1904, the United States took over the project. Engineers abandoned the sea-level concept and instead designed a lock canal that would lift ships approximately 85 feet above sea level to cross Gatun Lake before lowering them back to the ocean. Massive sanitation campaigns dramatically reduced mosquito-borne diseases, allowing construction to continue. After 10 years of construction, the Panama Canal officially opened in August 1914. Stretching roughly 50 miles, it instantly transformed global trade by eliminating the need for ships to sail around Cape Horn at the southern tip of South America. For decades, the canal remained under U.S. administration through the Panama Canal Zone. While many viewed it as an engineering triumph, others in Panama saw foreign control of such an important national asset as a source of growing tension. Those debates eventually led to the Torrijos-Carter treaties, signed in 1977, which established a gradual transfer of control to Panama. Full administration officially passed to Panama on December 31st, 1999. Today, the Panama Canal Authority operates one of the world's busiest shipping routes. In 2016, a major expansion added larger locks, allowing much bigger ships to transit the canal and increasing its capacity for global commerce. Every year, thousands of vessels carrying everything from automobiles and grain to electronics and liquefied natural gas pass through this engineering marvel. The canal remains strategically important because it connects two oceans and shortens shipping routes by thousands of miles. It has also remained part of geopolitical discussions, with debate over shipping costs, international investment, and the canal's role in global trade. While those discussions continue, day-to-day operations remain under the management of Panama through the Panama Canal Authority, and the waterway continues to serve ships from around the world. More than a century after it first opened, the Panama Canal remains one of the greatest engineering achievements ever built, and one of the most important waterways on Earth. Follow for more Panama.